Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? Andru ella unnaru? So if anybody is watching this video first time, please do subscribe. So without missing, you can watch all my videos. Guys, I completed 5,800 kilometers. Yes, the first service when I gave for first service, they told me to change. They told me to give for second service 4,500 to 5,000. So it's almost now 5,800. I gave my bike for first service in Mangalore in Karnataka state. Right now I'm in Tamil Nadu, so I thought to give here in Tamil Nadu local some Bajaj service. But trust me guys, last time I was not at all happy because of service. I really don't know what and all they did. So this time I decided to I decided to give some good engine oil. A few of members, like in our group members, they suggest me Motul engine oil, 40 stroke motor oil. It's a synthetic one, and so I bought that from outside, and I'll give here and see. They're taking my bike inside. So I bought this engine oil. Again I'm telling you guys, engine oil name, it's a Motul 40 100% synthetic 7100 and 10W50. So it's almost we need actually 2 liters, but I bought 3 liters because they don't have 1 liter bottle, they have only 1.5 liters. So I bought two 1.5 liters bottles. So it's cost almost 1,200 each bottle. That means 2 bottles I spent 2,400 rupees I spent for this engine oil, because so many people they suggest me use this engine oil. It's really good. Even I really don't know guys about engine oils and all, because of you bikers, riders, and we have some groups. Everybody they suggest me use this oil and all. So I gave them, I bought and I gave them, and I gave chain spray and everything I gave them. So they will change engine oil and they'll do service, second service. After service, and I'll use, once if the service is done guys, I will tell you the performance before and after, how was the performance and all. So let me see how is the performance after changing Motul engine oil, because before whatever I gave for service I was not at all happy. Again they're doing chain tight, I think. So it's been almost 3 months 15 days I started this trip. So continuously I'm traveling. Kerala done, Karnataka done, now I'm in Tamil Nadu. So this is the reason I completed almost 5,800 within 3.5 months. So once if it is done after 2 days, I will add that video also in this video only. So I will tell you in this video only the performance, how it is before and after. So let me check guys, because in first service, trust me, I was not at all happy. I didn't even feel any mileage issues, pickup issues. There are so many are there. I don't even know which oil they used, which engine oil they used. But what I came to know is they use Bajaj oil. So let me see the difference. What is the difference between Motul engine oil and Bajaj engine oil? So nice, it's done. So I gave for express service. It will take just 1 hour guys. Bangalore.
Okay. Yeah.
How much I have to pay? 1 second.
Yeah.
So this is the one I bought, Motul engine oil and chain lubricant and chain spray. Everything I bought Motul only. Let me pay money.
Sir, delivery 2 வண்டி இருக்கு சார். இது ஆர்டர் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? நெட் கனெக்ட் ஆகுது.
Thank you bhaiya. done guys. They charge 330 rupees. I think it is like a labor expenses, I don't know, but my personally I bought all engine oil, chain spray, everything I bought, but they charge 330 rupees. So I'll go now guys. So after 2 days I'll tell you the bike experience, so how it is and all, because I just want to try like each and everything. At least minimum 200 kilometers I will drive, and I will tell you the experience and all, how is the performance and all. So guys, it's been almost a day before yesterday I gave my bike for servicing. Trust me guys, I just wanna tell you only one thing about performance. It's like a completely difference. When it comes to performance, the main thing is mileage. Before I was getting in highway almost 35 kilometers, now it's coming almost 37, 2 kilometers extra I'm getting mileage guys. And when it comes to performance, it's really mind blowing, this engine oil, Motul engine oil. I really liked a lot, the pickup, everything, the sounds. The main thing is engine smooth, gets a very smooth. Completely, it's like I didn't even. It's completely different guys. When I gave a first service, I felt so much, like what is this sounds. There is no proper pickup, there is no proper mileage and all. But after changing this Motul engine oil, trust me, it's really damn good. The main thing is pickup. I can feel the sounds also, like very smooth. It's really smooth guys. Again I'm telling you, it's my personal experience and this performance and all. So day before yesterday I changed engine oil. In this gap I traveled almost 250 kilometers. In this 250 kilometers I observed so many things. The main thing I liked a lot is like engine, the smoothness. It's a very smooth. And the pickup, and when it comes to off-road also, trust me, it's really next level. And thanks to each and everyone who suggested this engine oil, Motul engine oil. It's completely worth guys. And again I'm telling you, it's my personal experience, I'm not giving any review. But when it comes to Motul engine oil, it's really good. I really liked a lot bike performance. It's completely different. In first service I was not at all happy. But in second service, next level guys. Superb.